Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can set up a stock price alert on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, to set some stock price alerts you would need to go to the Invest tab right here. So on the first part you would be able to see the stocks that you currently own, but if let's say the stock for which you want to set a price alert for you don't own already, you can just search it in the search bar. So let's say that I want to set a price alert for an Nvidia stock. I will just type in Nvidia and select the Nvidia stock. From there, to set a price alert, you would just need to tap on the bell icon in the upper right corner, and here you would be able to set a price alert. So alert triggers when one Nvidia equals the set price. So let's say that I want to receive a price alert when Nvidia stock reaches $115. So once you inputted the desired price tag, you can just click create an alert. And there we go. So now our alert has been created, and you can view that alert by just scrolling down on the stock page. So here under the alerts tab, you can see the alert that we just created. So that's guys how you can set up a price alert on the Revolut app specifically for stocks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.